All right, you guys want to be nosy? You guys want to see how much I made from this video? So this video I made in one night. It only took me like an hour to record it and edit it. Probably maybe like an hour and a half total for recording and editing. And it ended up doing pretty well. It was the best. It was the most views I got out of any video on my channel. I got 141,950 views, which after about like a year and a half is not saying much, because I would have hoped to have a video that got more than 141,000 views after like a whole year of making videos. But it is what it is. That's how it goes, guys. You can't always be one of the gurus. There's gotta be some bottom feeders out there too, you know what I mean? Anyways, so as you can see, for the views, it shows 142,000 for this video. The cool thing is that this video only took me an hour to make. You know, I seen a feature on CapCut, and I made a video on it. It took me an hour to make it, maybe like 30 minutes to edit it. So I would say like all in total, maybe an hour and a half to make it and to edit it and then upload it, you know. And this is what it got: 142,000 views. It got 5.5 thousand watch hours. And oh, before I tell you how much this video made, I do want to say that this video is one of the reasons why I got monetized. So when I made this video, I was not actually monetized yet. I had, and so like 40,000, I would say like 40,000 views of this total number right here, I was not monetized for. So I would just say that at 100,000 views, or I got paid for 100,000 views, and I gained 1.6 thousand subscribers. So from this video right here, I gained 1.6 thousand subscribers and 5.5 thousand watch hours and 142,000 views. And yeah, so you want to see how much I made off of this one video that took me about an hour and a half to make. I made right there $376 off of this video. So I think that's like a pretty low RPM, actually. If we go to, let's see, if we go to like the revenue and we see what was I getting paid for this, let's check it out, guys. So it's showing that the CPM is $13.90. So the CPM is what the advertisers are paying YouTube. So if you guys don't know how it works, this is the number that the advertisers are paying YouTube per 1,000 views. And then the RPM is what they're paying, what YouTube is cutting you off with. So YouTube gives you this cut, $2.68 per 1,000 views, which is extremely low. But I do believe that this number isn't quite accurate, because like I said, 40,000 views of this number I was not monetized for. This video right here helped me get monetized. So at about 40,000 views, I was able to get monetized. And then the 100,000 views after that is when I started making money off of this video. And what else did I want to show you guys? Let's see, yeah, so I think this RPM number is not quite accurate. If I bring up, do I have a calculator right here somewhere? I think I could figure out what the actual RPM is if I do like 100,000 views, or no, 1,000 views divided by 376. Is that right? Am I doing this right? My math could be way off. $2.65. Maybe it is right. Is that right? Or 376 divided by 1,000? Because is it? No, it's 140. Because they only, or 100, because they only pay you. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. How do you do math? Let's do 376. I think that's what it is. 376 divided by 100, because, you know, you only get paid per 1,000 views. So in 100,000 views, that is 100, 1,000. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. I'm messing up how I'm supposed to explain it. Anyways, I think this is the actual RPM, $3.76. Because if you do 100,000, you gotta do it. You gotta do it by the thousands. So if you do 100,000 divided by 1,000, obviously that equals 100 because you get paid every 1,000 views. So there's 100 times basically that I got paid. Yeah, so 100 times 376. Wow, that was some really bad math. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, so I think the real RPM is actually $3.76, which is still extremely low. It's very low. I wish this video had a better RPM because it like I said, it was my best video out of any, or it got the most views out of any of them. So I wish I would have had a higher RPM. I mean, there's other, where's my other videos? How do I go back to all my other videos? Go back to channel content. Because the other videos that I made, a lot of them have a way better RPM than that. Like if you click this one, which only got 693 views. Let me see. Analytics. Revenue. If I click on the revenue. Come on, show me the revenue. Well, why is it not showing? Oh, up here. Let me click on that. Yeah, so here, just on this video right here, 21, they're paying 21.13 for the CPM, and the RPM is $7.48. So if I had that type of RPM, I would have doubled what I would have made at least 600 off of that video. And even still, that seems kind of low. Like I see people with like $10, $15 RPM, like $20 RPM, crazy RPMs. I don't know. It all has to do with how the advertisers want to pay and what they want to pay for, and blah 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 blah, and how you put the keywords in your title and everything else. So it is what it is. It's funny that, you know, the one video that I made that actually got a decent amount of views and paid me the most, of course it has like the lowest RPM out of anything. So yeah, that's it, guys. That is how much I got paid for 100,000 views. I'm just gonna say 100,000 views because I really didn't get paid for the other 40,000. But that's how much I made off a 100,000 view video, $376. And I got 1.6K subscribers and 5.5K hours. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know when I wasn't monetized, I like to see like how much are these people actually making on YouTube, you know what I mean? And the truth be told, everybody's making a different amount. That's the truth. It depends on what your videos are about, all that. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. A lot of people talk about it. It depends on what your videos are about, what type of keywords are in your title or description or whatever, blah blah blah, and however much money the advertisers want to pay. And yeah, I mean, they don't really tell you nothing about that, honestly, other than what you see from the CPM and the RPM. That's about all you get. YouTube ain't telling nothing. You just figure it out once they start paying you. You realize, dang, I just got ripped off. Let me get some more money. Anyways, I shall see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I show you maybe I'll show you like a 2-month, 3-month update on how much money I made off of YouTube or whatever. So there you go. I'll see you guys later.